Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi! Today, it's day 15! Oh my gosh, can you believe that it's already day 15? Excited! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! I can't hardly stand it. Okay, so let's see what day 15 has in store for us. All right, today, cold weather warrior. I'm kind of excited about this one. I like how the name sounds. Let's see what it is. Bird and Blend's eucalyptus and I'm going to say that wrong, echinacea cold weather tea. The ingredients are eucalyptus leaf, aniseed, lemongrass, chili, echinacea, and peppermint. Ooh, that'll be interesting. It's kind of like that winter is coming with the chili in it. It is an herbal tea we brew for 4 minutes, and it is without milk. All right, so let's, oh, that's interesting. Put our 15 back in. And there is a lot of green in this one. Wow, you can see all the sticks and twigs, all that lemongrass and everything else too. Doesn't really have much of a smell, which I guess that's okay. With the peppermint and eucalyptus, I kind of thought it would have a smell to it, but you know, that's just me. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes and counting.
All right. The color in this bag has already just, it went from being like dull and very dry to very vibrant. So that's kind of one of the fun things seeing. I don't know. We'll see. If this is your first time at the channel, thanks for stopping by and seeing me during your incredibly busy holiday season. I know that time is kind of short right now, but I appreciate that you have stopped to see what kind of wonderful teas that we are having from our Bird and Blend box. If you have come back to the channel to see what kind of wonderful teas we have during our Advent series, thanks for coming back by. I appreciate that immensely as well. You know, I hope everything is going well for you and that, you know, you are just happy right now. Oh, all right. So our 4 minute timer is done. We'll pull that out of the way. So things have plumped up in this bag quite significantly, and I was not expecting that, to be honest with you, but it really has, which is a little strange. Let's move this out of the way for a moment so you can see. It does, I can smell the peppermint quite a bit now. This is clear. It does not appear to have any particulate. It is, on the Chardonnay scale, it is a darker Chardonnay. On the urine scale, it's a, oh my gosh, please drink more water. Without putting my nose to it, I can smell the peppermint and a little bit of the eucalyptus. Putting it very close, it's kind of a mishmash between the peppermint and the eucalyptus at once. You can't really smell them separately from each other, which is a little strange, but that's all right. That's kind of interesting. So I'm not getting the chili at all. I'm getting a lot of lemon on the back end. So that's a little strange. And on the front though, on the front I am getting that eucalyptus and then the peppermint. Yeah, and definitely the lemon on the back. And it kind of leaves that a little bit of that minty taste in your mouth. But like not like, ooh, I have fresh breath taste. It's just a little, I don't know. It's not bad. It's an interesting taste. Is it hot toddy like? If it had a little bit of whiskey in it, I could get behind it for a hot toddy. It is interesting. I haven't ever honestly had eucalyptus or echinacea in a hot beverage before. Actually, I don't think I've ever had echinacea in a beverage before. I don't think I've ever even had it, period. If I did, I don't know about it. But this is very interesting. It kind of reminds me of the David's 911 cough and cold tea. Am I enjoying it? Not really. But given what it is, if I was to make it into a hot toddy with, if I had sinus issues or throat issues, I think this would go really well. So I may not be enjoying it for like everyday sipping, but for what it is, I like it for that purpose. Yeah, I enjoy it for what it is, but would not enjoy it for everyday sipping, if that makes sense. Okay, well, thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. I really do appreciate your time. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks, bye. Hey there, did you enjoy our content today? I really hope you did. If so, think about subscribing. That would really help me out. Thanks. Bye.